Oh man. Oh, so the car just won't start. Okay, it is the day after we did the lights and the Civic won't start. So today we're gonna try to figure out what's wrong with the Civic. We think it's a starter, but we don't really know. We're gonna try to figure out what's wrong with it, fix it, you know. So that's what's happening in today's video. Are you not tired?
Not very.
I don't, okay, from what I was looking at from the starter things, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like it's the starter. Seem like it's the battery.
That would be a lot easier to deal with.
So I recharged the yellow thing and we're gonna see
If it turns on.
if it turns, yeah, if that works.
You watched the video for the starter, right?
The fuses, and then we move to actually taking it out if we need to.
I really hope we don't.
What is that sound? Bigger. Okay. Wait, turn it one more time. I wanna hear what. Why is it not making the noise now? Yuck. I mean, the fuse is fine. It looks not broken, so I guess we move to the starter. I think you know what that means.
Yeah.
Let's get ready to take the starter out.
Jack it up to get the starter out.
Okay, so where does he say it is? Like
Under the intake.
so under there?
Yeah.
Do we have to take the intake out, or how are we doing it?
No,
are we doing it from below?
You said you don't need to take anything out. You just need to take the starter out. Yeah, from below. Otherwise, I think you would have to pull the engine. No.
No, we're not doing that. Alright, jack up the car. You see the metal part, right?
I mean, there's a...
It looks like the suspension. Like the suspension setup.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on, bro. It looks like this. It looks like a metal bar like this. But under there, there's a bunch of black plastic, and then there's that metal bar.
Everything under is black.
No, bro. There's a metal bar. Found the starter. That one is way up there.
Why are you so ashy?
Dude, this guy knows what he's doing. We don't know what we're doing.
We never know what we're doing.
Alright, we'll figure it out. We'll follow the video. And then people can follow our video because we're dumb. So, you got to take out the two top bolts, which are 10. There's a 12 way back there too on the bracket you got to take out. Okay, so the two 10s that are up there, and then the 12, and then move the wires out, and then hopefully I'm out of here. Okay, so I got the two 10s loose, but that 12 right there doesn't want to come out because the ratchet is too big. So now I'm changing ratchets, and hopefully it works, and we'll have the starter out. If it's not the starter, I'm gonna be pressed. After like what was that, 30-minute struggle,
20 minutes probably.
yeah, the bracket's out, and now we just have to move the wires. So that's step 2. Okay, you see that green thing? You're gonna want to take that, slide it out, and push it out of the way. Oh my god. And there's another one right there. You take that, slide it out the way. Then there's 2 bolts on the side of the starter. I can't get the camera up there because that's like impossible. There's 2 starter bolts and I cannot see one, so Nebu right here is gonna
Try.
This thing is impossible. I got oil all over my hand. I don't even know what it is. There's some fluid all over my hand. And we still gotta put it in since you're finally here. So when we were doing it, right, most of them came out kind of fairly easy. Like there's 2 top ones and then there was like 1 on the side. The side one was kind of hard. And then there was like another one that's connecting the housing to like the car. One of them is super easy. The hard one is the one we have now. Alright, we have like 3 options now, right? We have one, which is looking like the cheapest. It used to be the most expensive option. We get a swivel joint, right?
Yeah.
And we get an impact, and we impact it out. Or we could get a trailer from U-Haul. You haul it over to like a shop or something, let them deal with it. Yeah, exactly. Or let somebody come pick it up and then do the same exact thing, basically.
Oh, more
money, exactly. So
I don't want to talk about it. I'm tired of talking about this damn car.
So we had an idea to take off the wheels, but the wheels don't come off because the last person had like a special set of lug nuts, and he didn't give him the key or the like actual things to take off the lug nuts. So now we have to go around town and try to find a set, like a universal set, to take it off, and then we'll go from there. We still might not be able to take out the starter from that, you know. We're on our way to Home Depot to get an impact gun. We finally gonna have an impact gun. So we, just because we were forced to, and then we're gonna get a swivel joint, and then hopefully that fixes everything. Then we gotta go back to Advance and get a new starter. Yeah, so that's probably for tomorrow though. We finally have new products, thanks to Nebu, technically.
Thanks to my mom.
Yeah,
Thanks, Mom.
we saw her in what place? We saw her in Home Depot, and she was like, "You want me to buy it for you?" So somebody's a little spoiled, huh,
Thanks,
Nasi?
Mom. Yeah, I think you.
Bro, we need a Ryobi sponsorship, bro. You know, look. You got the weed whacker. There's a hedge clipper. Then we just bought the
You sure it's
the
because
thing.
you want to, or is it because it's cheap?
No. We like them. It works, doesn't it? And we have the drill that we always use. So Ryobi, sponsor us. Did it work?
No.
Did it fall out?
Yeah.
We almost got it out again. What's still left? The wires, right?
There's the bolt, right?
There's a wire, and then there's a bolt that's holding in for the battery terminal, and then we're gonna have it out. So it's probably gonna be another 2-day job, even though this is the most annoying thing we've ever done, and we don't even know how we're gonna put it back in yet. So we're rushing to Advance Auto, and it says we're gonna get there at 7:53. So we need to get the starter and something to, I forgot. It's easier if you take the wheel out, but his wheels are weird. I'll show you in a bit. So we have to get the thing to take the wheels out. No, you're gonna take the right at the light. So we gotta take the wheels out too. Fuck. We can't forget about that when we get there.
Take the wheels out.
Yeah.
Take the exhaust out so we can put everything back.
Yeah, and we gotta take the exhaust out to put everything back. So hopefully it's way easier to get in, and we never have to do anything like this again. I know we need to get home.
GPS.
Oh fuck! We tried to get the starter and they didn't have the starter, even though we were rushing to get it here. They didn't have it. So he says since he couldn't find it, we get 2 free car sets. Which makes no sense because we were, what time is it? We're like 8 minutes before they close. Let's do this. Huh? Oh! Yes! Yes! Okay. So it went in like that. We fucking did it. Okay. Now all we gotta do is
Get a new one.
get a new one and put it back in tomorrow. We just gotta put the new one in tomorrow. Bam, done. So now it's Popeye's time. What did we even get? The starter?
The starter, lug nuts.
Lug nuts.
I think.
When we got there, the lady tested it and the little spindle thing didn't go all the way to the end, and it's supposed to go to the end, right? Like that's what she said. That's what the test said.
Yeah.
Okay, it's supposed to go all the way to the end, and then it didn't, and she told us that, and then the screen asked her if it went all the way to the end. She said yes. So I guess now we just put it in and see what happens. The new starter's in there after 20 hours, a lot of hours, and now we're putting the final bracket in, put the exhaust in, and then this guy can finally go home because he's always here, man. It's so annoying.
Yeah. I've spent more time here in the past 2 days in my house.
Oh my god! We finally put it in, and guess what? It works. Good job. What was it, 3 days?
3 days.
Oh no, I see a big problem. Kind of big problem. You may or may not have an exhaust leak. The bolt broke out because it's so rusty. Yeah, congratulations, your car starts.
I've worked so hard, I've worked so thorough. I love my team, I wouldn't trade them for the whole world. But I would trade these groupie bitches in a heartbeat if there was a chance that I could ever have my old girl. My first love, man, I can't believe I lost her. Due to miscellaneous bitches all on my roster. So my advice to all my homies out there, with a woman that really cares, don't fuck around, it might cost you.